Hey, let's talk about your crown. It's pointing at the sun while you wanna lay it down. Oh, you turn heads every time you walk around. Find two knots of love when you take them down. You spend about an hour just so you can detangle. Girl, I see the struggle, got your head at every angle.
Hey y'all, I know it's been a long time. I've been gone for a minute. We're gonna get to that. But right now, I'm just hopping on here really quickly because I'm getting ready to do this front part of my hair. These are yarn twists, jumbo yarn twists. I had this hairstyle in for about a month. It was my very first time doing it on my own head, and everybody loves it. I keep getting a whole bunch of questions on how I did it. Because I didn't record myself doing this hairstyle, I'm just gonna show y'all how I did it, only with the front end that I'm about to redo. So right now, I'm just cutting the yarn, trying to get everything set up, and I will be back when we're ready to do hair. Let's go. I'm back, I got my yarn cut. I moved the camera because I feel like y'all can see what I'm doing a lot better on this end. So I got my yarn cut to the length that I want it at. I got my rubber bands soaking in some oil. And I got my twisting cream. I'm just using my favorite. It's a souffle. And then I got Talia Waheed. Y'all know. Y'all already know. But I'm just going to take this down. Ooh, y'all, I'm embarrassed. My hair dirty. And I'm sitting here about to put a style back in it. Ooh, my hair is dirty. I'll be right back. I'm about to clean this. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the hair. We're gonna split it. I choose to split it in the opposite way. I'm gonna split it when I twist it down. I hope that made sense. Hopefully, y'all just see what I'm doing. Take the hair, we're gonna split it. Then we're gonna take the yarn. I got 4 strands of yarn. And we're gonna put it in that split. All right. Then we're gonna take this and pull it together, and I'm gonna rubber band it together, like so. Get some edge control. You're gonna take the hair and split it. Get this yarn back here. We wanna make sure that it's even. So if it's not even, it's not even. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit this way to make it even. All right, so I'm gonna take my twisting cream, put that on my hair. I got my souffle, put that on my hair. Okay, then I'm gonna split it. Try to get it as evenly as possible. Then I'm gonna get the yarn on both sides. And all I'm gonna do is twist. I like to add some cream when I twist. To me, it helps me grip it a lot better. And it's extra moisture for my hair. When we get to the bottom, all I'm gonna do is just take it and knot it. Just wrap it around and knot it. Pull it tight. And I can always undo the knot and, like, you know, change the length if I want to down the line. But yeah, so that's the first one. Now moving on to the second one. I'm gonna moisturize it first. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna part it right here. Bow. I'm gonna get my 4 strands of yarn. Okay. I'm gonna put it through. I don't want it to move, so I'm just gonna hook it there. Take my hair. Get some edge control. Get my rubber bands. Then we're gonna take the hair split it, pull it tight, make sure it's even. Then we're gonna add the yarn. Okay, this side, this side. Get to twisting and add your creams or your gels or whatever you choose to twist your hair with. All right, that's those. Now let's move on to the next one. Now we're gonna moisturize. We're gonna do the same thing. Take the hair, part it, get your yarn, put it through. I take it and hook it. With this piece, get your edge control. Rubber band. It's good. We're gonna take our yarn and make sure it's even. Okay, that's even. Then we're gonna take our hair and split it. Then we're gonna tighten it up. Then we're gonna add the hair to the yarn and twist. And add your cream or gel while you're twisting. Get to the end, knot it. There you go. That's these three. Don't worry about it. We're gonna get to these edges. This is how I put the bead on. So I twist it down to the end. I'm gonna have to cut this because this is not even. Cut that so it's even. All right, twist it down to the end. And then I get the bead and I just push it through. And pull it up, and that's it. And we knot it. Knot it, pull that down, and that's it. I'm about to look in the mirror and see if I want to do these top 4 real quick. I will be right back. All right, so this is the last one. Y'all, I got my beads on. I want this one up here and this one at the bottom. This is all I do when I get to the ends. I knot it, and then I just cut off whatever is hanging off. Y'all, my neighbors are doing yard work. But that's it. Let it fall. Where I ended up knotting everything at was the length that I needed it. So I didn't do anything special after I knotted everything. Off the camera, I just cut the ends. I suck at doing my edges, y'all. I really do. All I know how to do is a little swoop. That's it. So yeah, this is the style. Y'all can see everything looks a lot cleaner around my edges now that I went and I redid them. It looks a lot fresher. Let me show y'all the back. Top. So yeah, thanks for watching. We're going to split it. Oh Lord, y'all, when you're working with yarn and you got a cat, no. Split it, no. See, get out.